Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today we found 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1974 Norton Commando 850, $7,000, Winooski, Vermont. First up is a 1974 Norton Commando 850, one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the 1970s, known for its strong parallel twin engine and distinctive styling. The Commando series gained a loyal following thanks to its performance and the unique isolastic frame system that helped reduce vibration. This example was restored about 12 years ago and remains a matching numbers bike with a Vermont title in hand. It has been upgraded with a Mikuni carburetor setup for improved reliability, along with a Payson electronic ignition system. Additional features include new tires, a new battery, and classic pea-shooter exhaust pipes, while the original carbs and spare parts are also included. Number 2. 1975 Honda CB550K, $8,000. Northport, New York. Next is a 1975 Honda CB550K, a clean and well-preserved example of Honda's mid-size inline-4 lineup from the 1970s. The CB550 models are known for their smooth performance, reliability, and classic styling that continues to appeal to vintage motorcycle enthusiasts today. This bike shows 25,200 miles and is described as being in near like-new condition. It features new tires and tubes, as well as new old-stock exhaust pipes, helping maintain its original look and sound. Finished in its original color with a clean title in hand, it runs and rides great and presents as a very well-kept classic. Number 3. 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120, $5,900, Raleigh, North Carolina. Next up is a 1972 Triumph Bonneville T120 with just over 13,000 miles, finished in a classic gold color. The Bonneville name is legendary, and the T120 models from this era are especially desirable for their performance and timeless British styling. This example has had its engine completely gone through by a professional shop, ensuring strong performance and reliability. It features upgraded electronic ignition and modernized carburetors that retain an original appearance while improving function. A rare 5-speed transmission adds to its uniqueness, along with a fresh tune and fluid service. Number 4. 1986 Kawasaki Vulcan, $1,400, Greendale, Wisconsin. Next is a 1986 Kawasaki Vulcan, a classic 1980s cruiser known for its comfortable riding position and smooth performance. These bikes offered a more affordable alternative to American cruisers while still delivering classic styling and everyday usability. This particular example is described as clean and ready to ride, with a strong visual presence in its burgundy finish. It comes with a clean title and is positioned as a straightforward, road-ready motorcycle. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage cruiser, this could be an easy entry point into classic ownership. Number 5. 1967 BSA Lightning 650, $2,500, Spring Hill, Florida. Next is a 1967 BSA Lightning 650, a classic British twin known for its strong performance and vintage appeal. BSA was one of the largest motorcycle manufacturers in the world during the 1960s, and the Lightning models remain popular among collectors today. According to the seller, the bike does run but currently needs a properly sized battery to be fully operational. It is described as needing some additional care and attention, making it more of a light project than a fully sorted rider. With a clean title in hand and a relatively affordable price, it offers potential for someone willing to put in a bit of work. Number 6. 1977 Suzuki GT750, $5,000, Churchville, New York. Next up is a 1977 Suzuki GT750, famously known as the Water Buffalo, one of the first mass-produced liquid-cooled two-stroke motorcycles. These bikes are highly regarded for their smooth power delivery and unique engineering, making them stand out among vintage Japanese machines. This example was purchased as the starting point for a full restoration, but the seller decided not to move forward with the project. It reportedly had major engine work completed in recent years, including a rebuilt crankshaft, new OEM pistons and rings, and an electronic ignition upgrade. The bike runs and was ridden briefly for about 20 miles to confirm functionality, and it comes with a clean title in hand. Number 7. 1972 BMW R60/5, $5,000, Springboro, Ohio. Next up is a 1972 BMW R60/5, part of BMW's well-known /5 series that helped define the brand's reputation for reliability and touring capability. These bikes are appreciated for their smooth boxer twin engines, shaft drive systems, and timeless design. This particular example is described as being in great condition and close to like new overall. The only noted issue is that the odometer may be stuck, which is not uncommon on older motorcycles. Aside from that, the bike appears to be well preserved and ready for a new owner who appreciates classic BMW engineering. Number 8. 1978 Yamaha TT500 Enduro, a legendary off-road machine that became famous for its rugged durability and strong single-cylinder performance. The TT500 gained a reputation as a capable desert and trail bike, and it remains a favorite among vintage off-road enthusiasts. This example has been significantly upgraded with a high-compression 540cc kit, a reground performance camshaft, and a flat-slide Mikuni carburetor. It also features an updated top-end oil line and a custom seat for improved comfort. The bike is street legal and currently registered, and while it may need some minor tuning, it is described as running and riding very well. Number 9. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $3,900, Pensacola, Florida. Next is a 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000 custom chopper built on a Paco frame and featuring a classic stripped-down style. The Ironhead Sportster platform is known for its raw mechanical feel and strong character, making it a popular base for custom builds. This bike includes several upgrades, such as upswept exhaust pipes with fishtail tips, a cycle electric voltage regulator, and a new 21-inch front wheel. It also has new matching tires and comes with extra parts. The bike runs and rides, but does show some wear, including a seat tear and a carburetor that may need adjustment. Number 10. 1978 Bultaco Pursang MK11 250, $4,500, Hunker, Pennsylvania. Next is a 1978 Bultaco Pursang MK11 250, a vintage Spanish motocross bike known for its lightweight design and strong two-stroke performance. Bultaco was a major player in off-road racing during the 1960s and 1970s, and the Pursang models are still respected among collectors today. This particular bike has been owned by the seller since 2018 and was ridden occasionally before being placed into storage over 4 years ago. It is being sold as is with no title, which is typical for many older off-road motorcycles. Despite that, it represents a solid vintage dirt bike with potential for restoration or display. Number 11, 1977 Ducati 900 SD Darmah, $10,000, Matawan, New Jersey. Next is a 1977 Ducati 900 SD Darmah, a classic Italian sport touring motorcycle powered by an 864cc bevel-drive Desmodromic V-twin engine. These bikes are known for combining performance with improved reliability compared to earlier Ducati models, along with distinctive styling that still stands out today. This particular example has been fully restored and is described as being in excellent overall condition. While it has not been started in the last 6 months, it presents as a well-preserved machine ready for recommissioning. It is being sold with a bill of sale, making it an appealing option for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a rare vintage Ducati. Number 12, 1981 Vespa 100 Sport, $2,995, San Francisco, California. Next up is a 1981 Vespa 100 Sport, a classic small-frame scooter finished in green with original paint. Vintage Vespas like this are known for their simple design, manual shifting, and timeless styling that continues to attract enthusiasts around the world. This example is described as a mechanic special, meaning it will need some work before it is fully road-ready. However, it appears to be complete and in good overall condition, making it a solid project for someone familiar with vintage scooters. It also comes with a California title, which is a big plus for registration. Number 13. 1983 Honda GL1100, $3,500, Hudson, Ohio. Next is a 1983 Honda GL1100 Standard, a well-preserved touring motorcycle known for its smooth flat-4 engine and long-distance comfort. The GL1100 models built on the success of the original Goldwing platform, offering reliability and strong performance for touring riders. This particular bike has been thoroughly gone through and is described as nearly zero-timed, with extensive recent maintenance. Work includes rebuilt brake components, new timing belts, rebuilt carburetors, new tires, and fresh fluids throughout. With its clean condition and included Honda line saddlebags, it is presented as a bike that can be ridden anywhere with confidence. Number 14. Triumph Bonneville 650, $5,000, Batavia, Ohio. Next is a Triumph Bonneville 650, a classic British twin presented as a barn find. These bikes are highly regarded for their timeless styling and engaging riding experience, making them a staple in the vintage motorcycle world. According to the seller, the bike runs but may have a clutch issue, possibly needing adjustment or replacement. It is described as being in nice overall condition with matching numbers, which adds to its appeal. As a running barn find with some mechanical needs, it offers a good balance between usability and project potential. Number 15. 1975 Honda CB500T, $1,000, Birmingham, Alabama. Rounding out the list is a 1975 Honda CB500T, an affordable vintage project bike with low miles. The CB500T is known for its twin-cylinder engine and straightforward design, making it a manageable platform for restoration or customization. This example was purchased as a project and brought back to running condition, but it has since developed an issue with the right cylinder fouling the spark plug. The exact cause is unknown, so further diagnosis will be needed. It also shows some cosmetic wear, but the sale includes a box of parts and the original carburetors, making it a solid budget project option. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Tell us your favorite in the comments and subscribe for more classic motorcycle finds.